Hello everyone, and welcome to another Rudy Roo with Jeff video. In this video, I will be doing the other half of Sun and Moon. So, for this video, I'll be doing Sol and both the Moon ones. So, Sol is for Sun too, if you didn't know. And some example words are solar, solarium, parasol, solitarianus, solstice. So solarium means a Roman sundial clock, and it's basically sol plus arium. Arium is a thing or place belonging to or connected with, like that new game Abyssarium or something, and so that's solarium. Solitarianus. So sol means the sun, and terra means the earth, so it's of or relating to the earth and sun. Parasol, and it's a lightweight umbrella used to shade yourself from the sun. So, and the reason it means that is parasol is from parer, to shield or guard, and sol, so it's to shield or guard yourself from the sun. But don't confuse with sol, which means ground, or sol from solution, and that'd be pergelisol, tabitasol, aerosol. And they all mean different things, and sol means different things. So, solstice is, it's like the summer solstice, where the day is the longest, and the winter solstice, where the day's the shortest. And it comes from sol, which is sun, and basically the reason is because like the sun hits the highest top during the summer solstice. So for sol in the news, we have on the summer solstice, be glad you live on Earth. And okay, yeah, I am glad I live on Earth, actually. So, today is the longest day of the year. Yeah, that's what we discussed earlier. Pokemon Go's Fire and Ice Solstice event ends tomorrow. If you didn't know, I actually still play Pokemon Go. So, the next word we have is Selen, which means moon, and it can also mean crescent-shaped. Now, some example words we have is Selenian, Selenology, Selenologist, Selenium, and Luna is for moon too. But back to these words. So the definition of Selenian is of or relating to or designating the moon, and Selen means moon, so there's moon in the definition. Selenology, so ology basically means like study of, and Selen means moon, so it's a branch of astronomy that deals with the moon. Selenologist is a specialist in selenology because, they're connected. Selenium, and it's Selen, and I'm going to read the etymology here. New Latin from Selen plus eum, from the fact that it is related to an element. So it's related to an element. It's for the eum. Tellurium, and derives from the Latin word for the planet Earth, tellus, and it's a non-metallic toxic element. And for the lunar words, we have lunar, lunate, lunation, lunette, circumlunar, cislunar. So lunate means shaped like a crescent, because the crescent moon is one of the big things about the moon. Lunation, so come from Luna and Asian, and it's a period of time averaging 29 days, and it's elapsing between 2 successive new moons. Lunette, it's a horseshoe having the front semicircular part only, and there's a really long etymology, so it's Middle French, and it literally means small object resembling a full moon or a crescent moon. And et actually means little one in French, so. Circumlunar, and that means revolving about or surrounding the moon, because circum means like around, and lunar means the moon. Cislunar, it means of or relating to the space between the Earth and the moon or the moon's orbit. And cis means on this side. So it's cis plus lunar.
No.
So remember in the earlier video, we forgot to do Helio in the news. So here it is. So it's Happy Aphelion. Earth is farthest from the sun today. If you couldn't tell, the second word has Helio in it. Yay! So, lunar in the news. And that's the word we had. And there's the word we had in the headline. Yay! Up to speed and thinking about the future, blah, 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 blah. And cislunar space, the next 30 years, United Launch Alliance has a vision. Good. Huh. And the picture thing, a lunar mining operation. Cool. So, here's a summary. So, sun, it's Helio or Sol, and for moon, it's Selen and Luna. Now it's time for my Rudy Root beer.